Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week I have a really hopping fun craft for you. Notice I said hopping. Well, what does that remind you of? It's spring, summer's coming, and now the frogs, the tadpoles, we are going to have them out there. They're going to be making sounds that we can hear. So this craft is a frog. It could be a toad, or it could be a frog. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take this apart so that you can see just how I've put this together. Everything you need for this craft will be in your package, okay? And the first thing you need to do is you need to cut out your frog pad, okay? And it looks like this, and you cut it out, just like that. And then you turn it over. And do you see these little lines? Well, those are just cut from the green paper that's in your package, and then just glue them on here, just like that. The tricky part is this thing right here. It's like a spring, okay? And so I'll show you how to do that. You just take your two strips, and you just put them together. I'm going to use a little bit of tape. I like tape. It's easy. I'm going to use a little tape. And I'm going to tape that like that. Oh, I better have another little bitty piece for the front. Okay, and this is what you do. I'm going to go over like that, and I'm going to go over with that one. Okay, the next one, back, this one, back, this one, back, this one. Whoops, straighten up a little bit there. That one, and I just keep going like this. Back and forth, back and forth. Let me get a straight one there. And I just keep going until I get to the very end, okay? When I get to the very end, I have something that looks like this. It's a spring, okay? And so then I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold it under, just like that, and I'm going to put it right here. And I already have mine on here. And I glue this extra tight, okay? And you have a little piece on the top. And I'm going to take this little frog and put him here, okay? Now, something's missing, something's really wrong. Well, I have a one-eyed toad or one-eyed frog. So, your frog or your toad comes in your packet, and you cut him out. You get all of these little dots, and you put the dots on. Now, the tongue. That's a little bit on the tricky side, so let me show you that one too. I'm just trying to show you the tricky things. It's a little tricky. What? You think something's wrong? Well, I think it looks fine. What's wrong? An eye? Oh, an eye has fallen off. Well, let me fix it. Let me tell you about the eyes, too. These eyes, oh, let's get this open. These eyes do not hold on very well. They need quite a bit of glue. So give it a nice dot of glue. Put the eye there. Better? I think so. Now the only thing missing is a little bit of a tongue. So take your red paper, and you can do it with a pencil. Actually, you can do it two ways. I like to do mine like this. I love it. Oh, it's fun. There is the frog's tongue. And that just goes glued underneath your frog. Okay? Or your toad. And so when you touch him, he'll just pop around and hop around, because he has that little spring under him, okay? Now, most important of all, I need to keep your brain active this summer. This is all about frogs. A frog day, it's reading comprehension. This one talks about the life cycle of a frog. We have a cryptogram, and we have froggy facts. And these are all in your packet for you to work on. So enjoy your frog, have a good time with it, and also, don't forget to, what did I do with that? Our summer reading program. You'll get a little sheet in there about our summer reading program, and you can look at that. You can scan it. Thank you, Lisa. You can scan it and join us for Reading Colors Your World. We want you to be colorful and happy, and reading can do that for us. So join our club this summer. Have a good week when you do your craft. Be sure to pick this up at the library. Keep thinking all the time. Keep thinking and have a great time. We miss you. See you soon.